Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azfar Lokman. Today I will present about the managing production and supervision. Weekly report case study. First, I will explain about the content that I will present. Perform evaluation on the actually job being carried out in the product or service. Second, summarize the potential saving and action required for production or service improvement. And third, propose the contaminant action, corrective action, and preventive action of the problem. And last, I will suggest how to improve the production or service and supervision. Firstly, introduction. This project is focused on optimize welding parameter for MIG welding 2 thickness carbonized iron sheet metal. The study addressed issues like the porosity sputter and reduce wear strength using operation at the high temperatures. And then this analysis we aim to improve output and service and suggest how to contaminate, remediate and preventive measure and recommend change to manufacturer, service or oversight. This study also will aim to increase productivity, decrease fall, and ensure the lifespan of the metal structure in various industry and construction application by the addressing equipment issue and optimize resource management. First, the production line or service or the condition that need to improve. The first evaluation of the actual job performed in production or service. Field testing. I will validate the ideal voltage setting found in the control research by conducting tests in the real production situation. So, to use this setting, choose the sample of mercury run consisting of 2 thickness carbonized sheet metal. And then I will keep an eye at the welding operation to make sure that the suggest wire speed of 3.0 to 3.5 meter per minute and voltage rate about the 20 voltage to 22 voltage be follow. And then I will suggest to gather the information on the well quality head put and in any problem that will arise during the production. Second, performance metric. I will check for the defects such as sputter, porosity, and equilibrium function, and overall wear strength as well pressure and build up. And then I will evaluate the wear quality and continuously improvement compared the parameter and the previous data. And then I will get the input from the welder and supervisor in the difficult experience and sustain the ideal setting through the routine operation. Third, documentation and analysis. I will record the result of the actual job performance assessment and share any variation of the anticipated outcome and the reason behind them. And then examine the data to see if the ideal parameter reliability result in high quality well or the various welding operator batch and shift. And then I will determine whether there are any other factors such as production environment, material quality, surrounding circumstance, or the functionality of the equipment that may maybe affect the quality of the welding. Potential saving and required action for production or the service improvement. For the product potential saving, first I will reduce the reward and scrap rate. The frequency of the wave flow may be considerable decreased by using the ideal welding condition that will maybe reject the part and the less reward. Defects are reduced which result in the saving on the labor material and time. Determine the possible saving by contracting the defect rate before to and go following the implementation of the ideal configuration to show the financial impact, figure out the cost of scrap and the reward as the percentage of the managerial expenses. Second, increase the productivity. The time spent on the inspection, reward, and the repair will be decreased when we found the optimal setting in the well quality. This efficient boost enable higher throughput and more effective use of worker and medical equipment. And then calculate the productivity gain by observing the number of components successfully built through a shift and the decrease in the cycle duration. Uh, Third, extend the equipment life. Maintain consistent and ideal water setting might be possibility prolong the life of the equipment and save maintenance expense by minimizing stress on it. Project longer lifespan on the equipment and component to determine possible saving in the maintenance and equipment replacement expenses. Second, I will explain about the required action for production or service improvement. First, standard of procedure. Create and execute standard operating procedure. They include the ideal wire speed and voltage configuration. Make certain that all welding staff has access to this SOP and then include in training course. I will organize seminar and training session to make sure whether an acknowledgement about the new process and realize how crucial it is to follow the ID parameter. And second, quality control enhancement boost quality control procedure to regularly check for conformance to the ideal welding setting when feasible track welding condition using automated method and immediately identify any discrepancy. And then conduct a routine audit inspection to make sure that the standard operating procedure are being followed and to the point rather than still need improvement. And third, I will collect the feedback and continue improvement. Provide a feedback loop so that supervisor and the weather may change practice, discover problem, and recommend change. This will improve wedding process and resolve any issue that may arise during operation. And then I will promote a continuous improvement culture by analyze wedding performance data on a regular basis, looking into the underlying cause of any fault and modify standard operating procedure consideration new of information. And last, equipment and resource management. Uh, we will take care of the malfunction emerging equipment and restrict availability of necessary instrument such grinder. Encourage the replacement to repair or broken emerging equipment to guarantee interrupt output. To support this need action, highlight the effect of equipment downtime of priority and cost saving. Provide a shared resource management strategy that guarantee the fair access to necessary instrument and machinery. One way to prevent delay and bottleneck may be either more grinder or set up plan usage period. And then I will explain about the proposed containment, corrective and preventive action. First, containment action, I will quick equipment repair. First step, giving fixing damage emergency equipment first priority in order to get them back up and running. Production deadline and quality must be maintained and disregard approaching emergency machine. Repair done right away with safe data and stop more problem. Second, allocation of temporary resources. Step there, put in place a provision timetable for sharing the grinder so that each welder can use it as needed. Ensure that all workers have equitable access to necessary tools work as sustain production, flow and avoid welding delay. And third, inspection and observation. First, step there, examine every piece of welding equipment in depth to find and fix any other problem that could affect the output. Like small problems don't get larger and cause major disruption when they are regularly monitored and dealt with promptly. Second, prevention. First, schedule of regular maintenance. Step put in place to priority maintenance program that include routine inspection, service, and calibration for all welding equipment. It will prevent the fossil malfunction and ensuring optimal equipment performance are achieved through proactive maintenance. And then investment and equipment upgrade. Make the necessary investment to upgrade welding instrument and equipment using edge technology to improve dependability and performance. And then move modern machinery such as booster high level of efficiency, safety, longevity, which lower long-term operating costs and thus output quality. And then third, program for continuous improvement. Step, Create a program for continuous improvement that welcome input for supervisor and vary in order to quickly identify and resolve problems. By encouraging a culture of creativity, adaptability, continuous improvement make sure that manufacturing process are continued and change and optimized. And I will explain about the improvement for production of survey and supervisor. First, standard operating procedure. Judgment create and execute standard operating procedure. So they incorporate the ideal value parameter found in research. And how to do it is SOP should provide explicit instruction on voltage setting, wire feed rate, and equipment maintenance. There should also be easy available. Update this protocol often consider user feedback and fresh discovery. And second, improve cost of study. Engagement create through training costs, impressing equipment usage, follow SOP and safety procedure for every employee involved in wedding. Initial dating for initial training for new weather and ongoing refresher session for season employees should be both involved hand-on learning. Stress how crucial it is to keep wedding parameter at their ideal level and to maintain equipment properly. And third, engine the monitoring and assistance. To currently improvement supervision of wedding operation SOP, strength supervisor duty. Supervisor should get training on how to spot and quickly handle deviation and for establish protocol. In addition, they must assist and mentor whether cultivating a cooperative and efficient work atmosphere. The last resource distribution and administration. Create a strong plan for allocating and managing resources so that every vendor has it access to the instrument and supply they require to and then it will to award the partner and guarantee efficient operation give plan about contact and a timetable for sharing equipment, frequent inventory inspection and prompt integration of more tools as needed. In conclusion, this study aimed to determine the ideal welding parameter for emerging welding to thickness, carbon iron metal. It found that wire speed of 3.0 to 3.5 meter per minute and a voltage range of 20 voltage to 22 voltage improve wear quality and reduce reboot and scrap rate. This optimal welding setting result in cost saving, increase through and improve result management. However, it will also advise to address the equipment problem and implement priority measures like proactive maintenance and continuous improvement. These labels also suggest that standardizing operation method, improving monitoring, and providing continuous training can enhance manufacturing process leading to higher quality well and improvement efficient. That's all from me and thank you.